Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? What's up, everybody? Everybody that wants to tune into this Minnesota-based home renovations, whatever you want to call it, channel. That's right. That's right. And look at all this concrete. Woo, baby. I got a lot of concrete to mix up. That's right. And thank goodness to this cement mixer I put together. But really, what am I on here today for? It's been since basically July since I made a video and posted it. I just want to get real for a second. For everyone that does home improvement videos and blog videos about their projects and stuff, I give them props. Because, brothers and sisters, no joke, just digging out a basement foundation and doing all the repairs that I got to do and all the drywall I got to hang, all the wiring, the plumbing and everything else, and all the concrete bags I got to bring downstairs and all the projects I got. It is not easy to record everything while you're doing it. So I give everybody that does it props, because to get all these rocks, yeah, see some of the wet ones? Because it was raining outside. All these rocks downstairs, dig out all this trench, jackhammer all this, all that by yourself, one-man show, and then hold a camera or put a camera on a tripod and then find time to edit it and then keep the lady happy that you're progressing on your projects. So I'm probably going to have to just post a video every now and then on this channel. And what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to do to make it a lot easier for myself, and maybe yourself too, is when I am done with the complete project, it might not have all the perfect editing and everything else, but I want to pass forward, like for example, doing this basement waterproofing system, right, in my basement. I searched all over YouTube, and I get a lot of, I see a lot of videos that companies post on how they do it, and then homeowners doing it, for example, and they don't give you all the little details of what works and what doesn't work, and or what they find out works, or like myself, what I find out what works. So it's been a while since I've been on here, and of course I only got like 4 subscribers, but anyhow, that's cool. That's cool, because I don't need everybody to subscribe to this crazy man. I just was gonna start posting videos to help you and myself out and keep me in track. But I was working on the bathroom upstairs, and it's really hard to find the perfect place to set a camera. So I give everybody props that makes these videos and does this on a weekly, daily, whenever basis, because it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to do all your projects and then make them semi-entertaining to watch. So that's today's blog. It is August 12th, 2020. And I'm going to be jackhammering that side by the stairway and digging out mud and carrying mud, and then I got to build some footings, because down here in the bottom I really have no footings except in some areas, because this was an old house, and to bury my pipe I actually had to go past the old school footing, and we're only talking a few inches of footing there. So a lot of this project, it's not always the normal project. So when I'm done with this and it's all sealed up and it's working, then I'm going to take time and I'm going to edit a video and go through all the little steps and everything that I found out that was easier for myself, and all my mistakes, and go from there. So I wanted to make this a great channel to come and watch stuff on, but to get everything honestly done, to keep your boots clean and post videos, that ain't no joke. That's hard to do. It's hard to do. So anyhow, I hope everybody's doing good, staying safe, and your families are good. The beast is going to be digging, jackhammering, mixing up lots of concrete, and I got more to bring because I got to fix all these walls. So that bad boy is going to get its use. But anyhow, that's all I had to say. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead, hit subscribe, because I guarantee you there will be helpful videos down the road as soon as I can get to them, because I'm not doing this for entertainment. I'm not doing this for profit. I am not doing this for anything and above. I'm just doing it because it gives me something to do. But if it takes away my projects, it's too hard to edit all this kind of stuff out. For the ones that do it, congratulations. Have yourselves a great day. I'm out of here.